Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to all things business. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned business owner, or just curious about the world of commerce, you've come to the right place. Our channel is your go-to source for valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you thrive in the business world. Starting a business is a multi-step process that involves careful planning and execution. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start a business, from the initial idea to launching your venture. 1. Idea generation. Begin by identifying your passion, interests, and skills. Research potential business ideas based on your strengths and market demand. Consider how your idea solves a problem or fulfills a need in the market. 2. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to validate your business idea. Analyze your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Gather data on customer preferences, behavior, and buying patterns. 3. Business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Include a mission statement, executive summary, market analysis, and operational plan. Develop a detailed budget and financial forecasts for at least the first few years. 4. Legal structure. Choose a legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation, or partnership. Register your business and obtain any required licenses or permits. 5. Name and branding. Select a memorable and unique business name that reflects your brand. Register your domain name for a website and secure relevant social media handles. Design a professional logo and create a cohesive brand identity. 6. Financing. Determine how you'll fund your business. Options include personal savings, loans, investors, or crowdfunding. Create a detailed financial plan, including startup costs and ongoing expenses. 7. Business location. Decide whether your business will operate from a physical location, online, or both. If needed, find a suitable location, negotiate leases, or set up an e-commerce website. 8. Business structure and team. Assemble your team, whether it's employees, contractors, or co-founders. Define roles and responsibilities within your organization. 9. Legal and tax compliance. Consult with legal and tax professionals to ensure compliance with local, state, and federal regulations. Obtain an employer identification number (EIN) for tax purposes. 10. Business insurance. Consider various insurance options, such as liability insurance, property insurance, or health insurance for employees. 11. Set up finances. Open a business bank account to separate personal and business finances. Set up accounting software or hire an accountant to track income and expenses. 12. Build a brand presence. Develop a professional website with essential information and e-commerce capabilities if applicable. Create a marketing strategy that includes social media, content marketing, and advertising. 13. Product or service development. If applicable, develop your product or service and ensure it meets quality standards. Test and refine your offering based on customer feedback. 14. Launch. Plan a launch strategy, including a marketing campaign to generate initial interest and customers. Monitor and adjust your launch plan based on real-world results. 15. Operations and scaling. Implement efficient operational processes and workflows. Continuously analyze and adapt to market changes and growth opportunities. 16. Customer acquisition and retention. Focus on acquiring and retaining customers through effective marketing and exceptional customer service. 17. Financial management. Regularly review your financial statements and make adjustments as necessary to ensure profitability. 18. Scaling and growth. As your business matures, explore opportunities for scaling, expanding, or diversifying your offerings. Remember that entrepreneurship involves ongoing learning and adaptation. Stay informed about industry trends, seek mentorship and advice, and be prepared to pivot if needed. Building a successful business takes time, dedication, and resilience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's embark on this exciting journey of business growth and success together.